Hey guys, the 56 Thunderbird is complete, all finished, all ready to go. She is 100% done. Nothing else I want to do to it. She's a good little kit. Not a lot of pieces, but it was a fun kit to build. It's just a box stock is all I did on it. And yeah, I had a lot of fun building it. Like I said, if my dad hadn't said that he liked this type of car, I probably would have never built this kit. I had it from years ago when I used to model, and I don't know where it came from, but I just had mentioned it to him that I had it and would probably never have built it, but I'm glad I did, and I'd probably build another one if I ever come across another kit. Here it came out okay, not too bad. But you guys can let me know what you think. And I didn't glue the top down, just so you can see inside the interior. Yeah. Try to get the hood open here. It's a little tough to flick open. Do it without wrecking anything. There we go. Like I said, there's nothing too crazy going on in the motor. She's pretty much stock as well. All that good stuff. Put one of the dryer sheets kind of painted black for hood insulation thing. But yeah guys, it's a short video and it's showing it's complete, finished and ready to go, and get working on the Corvette. Get some updates on that and I get going on her. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.